Hi, morning everyone. Today I would like you to introduce to the index derivatives algorithmic trading systems. We have designed a set of products for the Indian markets, for the different trading instruments that are available in Indian markets, for the derivatives which are majorly Nifty and Bank Nifty, for commodities which are traded in MCX, for the stocks as well. So firstly, we should understand why exactly do we need some sort of a signal system, right? What is the need for it? Currently, all the indicators that are available in public domain, they are not much of a use because all of them are pretty lagged indicators. By the time they generate the crossovers and all those things, it's already past time. It's already the positions are taken, and most of the time if we follow them we end up in hitting our stop losses. So that is some situation that we want to avoid, and that is why we want to incorporate all sort of information. It's just not price or volume. You have to incorporate everything, starting from price, the money flow, the volatility, the trend, everything into account, and thereafter you come up with a advanced trading system. The idea is to understand the market, not predict the market. To understand the current trend will be going upside or it will go down, or the trend reversals will happen. These are the three main dimensions where our system comes very, very handy. Like I said, looking at simply price is not sufficient, definitely, and I think most of you will definitely agree with me. That is why you see the top side of the chart, you see the price growth, whereas at the bottom side of the chart you see the money flow that's happening. Okay, before we go to money flow, first you should understand what exactly the system helps you. The system, like I say, the system helps you to understand the trend is going up or the trend is going down or it's inside. So basically, it helps in three kinds of market scenarios. In all three market scenarios, when the trend is on the long side, when the trend is on the short side, and when it is range bound. Now, how exactly this helps us? Firstly, this helps us in never ever blowing up your account. Why? Because you immediately know when the trend has changed and you need to cut your positions. So it not only tells you when to square off your whole position, it also tells you when you should be squaring off partial positions. So we trade only when the signal generated by the systems, or else we don't use stay put. These are continuous signal systems. It basically means you know the direction, the trend of the market at any point of time, and the trend can be, like I said, long, short or range bound. Let me describe the system. The system, as you see, is basically divided into two broad divisions. One is the upper side, another is the bottom side. The upper side consists of the price bars, where the signals are continuously generated. Along with the price bars, you have a dynamic support and resistance bar, which helps you to understand when you should do pyramiding, when you should be cutting off your positions, when you should be taking your partial profits. Below that you see this green line. This is what I call as a critical pivot. When this critical pivot is breached, we, along with some other parameters, if being achieved, we can say downward trend or an upward trend has been initiated. Now let's understand what exactly the system tells us. As you can see easily, the system here is telling us that the trend is going down, so we should short this position, if any. And this is supported by the money flow as well. The money flow is shorter. You will see very less numbers compared to the actual money flow. That's because it's been scaled down to fit the visuals. So usually you will see a range of something around 0 to approximately 400-500 max. That's what I have seen till now, but yeah, this range can change. However, the only thing that we want to understand in the chart is that whether the red bar is significantly higher than the green bar or not, because that is what is telling us what is the flow of money on which side, right? So as you see, this critical pivot is broken very fast path here, supported by money flow. This basically tells very bearish towards this company. And as you see, it just continues to fall down and down. Look at this part. Like I said, this critical pivot is broken along with some other parameters might signify a potential change in trend. But here, though the pivot is broken, other parameters do not signify. Hence, this again went down. As you can see from the money flow also, the money flow is positive here, but again it just dropped here. It spiked up on bearish side here. So again, even if someone has taken a long position here, then you should be squaring up somewhere here, reversing this position to the short side, eventually having not only compensating for the loss that he incurred here, but also here. Even if you follow the systems, actually you should not be taking any buy position here. So following systems will help you in removing noise from the charts. So this is all about the sell or the short side signals. Here, as you see, these are RB. RB basically tells there's a potential reversal in trend that is happening on the short side. So trend might reverse and go up on the long side. As you clearly see here, this is again supported by the money flow, and also it has breached a critical pivot, and it is again taking support here, and eventually a buy signal is generated here around 975, and the reversal signal was generated around 880, which is almost 900, right? And then it just continuously moves on without even touching the critical pivot or breaking any of the swing lows. The money flow continuously supports throughout the time. First time it generates some sort of short signals here, so from 900 to 200 is 300 point delta. Even if someone has taken a long position here, 978, still it is 220 point delta. From the reversal buy position, it is a 300 point move. From only buy signals, it's a 220 point move. Not bad, right? So this is how the signal systems helps continuously be profitable over time, and it helps you not getting carried away by emotions. By emotions, I mean holding on to the users and letting go of influence at the very first instant. Let's understand this now. You see, money flow is negative, and now there is a short signal here. Some people will short here, and I will also short here. But as soon as this signal generates, I'm going to square off my position here, because look at the money. It is almost how much? 15 times, right? Look at this number. Look at the number on. So look at the number next to Nifty money flow. The positive money flow is almost 16 times more than the negative money flow, and it also has breached the critical pivot. So I will reverse my position and go on the long side from 212. Now from 212 straight till 280, and then again I see a reversal happening, supported by the money flow. Squaring of the position somewhere here. So it's a nice move, right? Almost 70-80 points, and just hit a stop of approximately 15 15 points, which is pretty decent. So this is how the signal systems helps in understanding the different situations, the positions in the market, and accordingly you can take a call. So this actually works in your Nifty. You should do the Nifty futures chart, but currently I am showing you the Nifty 15 index because I will give you idea of how exactly it happens in the actual market. The action actually happens. Nifty futures charts, you cannot look at the replay. The replay button does not work in the futures chart, so that is why I will show you the index. But understand this point, because the buy signal results because they are dedicatedly meant for futures charts. They are generated based on futures signals, not on the spot. So you should always be using the futures chart trading, which is available free of cost. The trading you need not have a pro or premium account to use this indicator. It's totally free and you can use it. So see, it's so much above the critical pivot. This entire day it never ever broke the critical pivot. So it not only helps the future traders, it also helps the option traders. You can also go and sell options in this range and just try to hold it for the end of the day and hope it will bring profits. So likewise, this signal size is dedicated for the Nifty 50. We do have similar set of signals for other instruments as well as in Bank Nifty. Then the stocks, the commodities which are traded in the MCX. Currently we have these 4 products being launched together. If you like our products, feel free to give a thumbs up, connect if you want to know more for any queries. I'm leaving a link below. Please feel free to connect. Thank you. Just wanted to give a quick ride on the Nifty futures. So it's, as you see, it's exactly the same that you have seen in the Nifty spot chart. That's because the signal system specifically designed for the future. So whatever charts you put, it will show you the very same set of signals as in the Nifty futures chart. And there's one more thing, this is intelligent enough to understand that this is somewhere you should look in shorts, and this is where you definitely should look the shorts. Better not do it. Similarly, it also tells you where to book your longs and not do it. Like this RT signals that you see over here, there are other signals of RS as well, which basically tells or informs there's a potential reversal that's gonna come. See again, this RB has been generated here and straight away went so many points up from 473 to 621. Again, some 200 points move. Look at this. I'm very sure you remember this bar. Many people actually lost a lot on this, but for us we did not, like, because once this was broken up pretty low at 530, we would be out of long positions here, and then we will take a short position somewhere here and we'll ensure the entire market here will have to book somewhere here. Look at this. The money flow has gone extreme. This pivot has broken. Money flow is negative. Thus, we need to get out of our long positions, short positions. It's as simple as that. So I hope this helps you in decisions and taking while trading. Hope below. Feel free to connect if you are interested.